Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone battery is performing well or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for battery statistics and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here battery statistics. Just click on it. Now just click get or download option. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can see here it's saying start 90-second run. So you need to click on this options which will run for 90 seconds. So just click on it. So finally the process has been completed. Now you can see below samples collected and detected refresh interval. So you can see here, and below you can see here crop. Just click on it. So under the crop you will see here a label. So since we are doing it the first time, so it's showing only one. So if you keep using this application, it will show different labels here. And below you can see the next option is runlets. Just click on it. Now under the runlets you will see here different runlets performed, and next to it is a recommend. So here you can see my iPhone battery is performing well, so there is no any issues. So you can see here battery data looks stable, no recommendation. So I don't have any issues with my iPhone battery performance. And next to it is a more option. So here you can check regarding the processes performed, the primary, secondary and tertiary. So if you click each one of it, it will show you all the runlets. So you can see here all the tests it has passed. Similarly you can see the secondary processes also. So you can see here it's all passed. Likewise you can check the tertiary also. So you can see all is working perfectly, that is normal. So by using this application named as battery statistics, you can easily check if your iPhone battery is performing well or not. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. If you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.